Hello world, my name is Raj and this is my submission for CS50W Project 0. So this is my index.html file, and the way I've structured my files are in such a way that all the CSS files are within the CSS folder, all the images files are within the images folder, and the main files such as your advanced search, your image search, and your index, which is the Google main page, are in the under the main folder. Now if we start the project, then we will be directed to the main page for the Google that I've designed. So the view for this, or the layout of the project or the main file, is mirrors the Google page, the Google main page. In the header we have about section, store section, and on the right hand side we have the images, advanced, and sign in. So if you click on the about, it will link us to the about.google. For the store.google. The images link will link us to the googles.images that has been a part of this project. And the advanced search will link us to the advanced page, which is again the part of this project. As for right now, the sign-in doesn't have any functionality. It's just there for the purposes, for the aesthetic purposes. And along with the layout itself, I've added a couple of effects to make it authentic. So the search bar and the buttons have effects whenever you hover or the focus in has been enabled. I made the pages responsive to different viewport size. So if you search something, let's see, it will take us to the main page. And in case if we know exactly what we are searching, we're going to be clicking on I'm feeling lucky. And of course, there's going to be a redirect notice. And that will take us to the first link within our Google search. The voice symbol and the lens symbol, as for right now, the functionality just there for aesthetic purposes. It holds no functionality at this moment. Second is the images. There's not much going on over here, but the effects and the layouts are almost similar to the one that we have for Google Images. Google search will direct us to the main page. And we have no buttons over here, but the search for, so in order to submit a query or submit a request, we have the symbol, the search symbol over here. But of course, we can't submit it without putting anything in there. So Chelsea, submit, will take us to the image pages. And finally, we have our advanced search, which again, similar to the Google Images, responsive to different viewport. Oh, excuse me. Google Images. Advanced search. I have added a couple of different effects, such as the focus in and a subtle effect on the button itself, and have made it responsive to different viewport sizes. The left hand corner, the Google symbol will take us to the main page, and the sign is at the moment it's just for aesthetic purposes. So if we search something such as hazard, this will take us to, but if we want to specifically not search for Aiden, then Aiden hazard. So yes, this has been my submission for CS50W Project 0. Thank you.